Oh god. Okay. Oh god. I was out here playing soccer, and those two cats right there, live right there. Can't see. And my dad and I had a smart idea. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. The mom and the baby kitty, they wanted to play with the ball, but apparently they can't. So, I think they have to go live a life now. Well, that was actually that was awesome. Okay, that was awesome. Okay. They're going back to the little home. No, zoom, you stupid thing. Okay. Dude, it's actually, oh god, it's so cute. What the fuck? The fuck? The fuck? Hold on a second. Okay guys, so apparently there's 3 cats. Well, I've seen was 2. So far. Like, I need some guys. This is so cute, so adorable. So adorable. So cute. So cute. They are so cute. Daddy, don't you dare. Don't you. Okay, good. Goodie bags, goodie bags, goodie bags. Boom. Hey, there's also those 3 cats. 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 I hate the mosquitoes. Oh, cats. That's and